Discover the all-new OBDPEAK K2 Pro 11.3 smart car display and DVR system, combining premium multimedia features, advanced driving assistance technologies, and ultra-high-definition video recording in one powerful device. In this video, we take an in-depth look at the OBDPEAK K2 Pro, an innovative dashboard display featuring wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, AI-powered smart functions, dual camera recording capabilities, GPS integration, and a stunning 11.3-inch ultra-wide touchscreen display designed to modernize any vehicle. The K2 Pro introduces a new generation 1920x720p HD in-cell display technology, delivering sharper images, more vibrant colors, narrower bezels, and a lighter, thinner design. With a 150% improvement in color performance and a responsive touch interface, every interaction feels smooth and intuitive. Equipped with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto systems, the K2 Pro allows drivers to access navigation, calls, messages, music, and applications directly from the large touchscreen without distracting from the road. The integrated dual camera system provides exceptional driving security with front 4K 2160p recording and rear 1080p video capture, ensuring important details such as license plates, road signs, and traffic conditions are clearly recorded day and night thanks to advanced WDR technology and automatic brightness adjustment. Main features: 11.3-inch ultra-wide HD touchscreen display, 1920x720p in-cell screen technology, wireless Apple CarPlay support, wireless Android Auto support, front 4K Ultra HD 2160p dash camera, rear 1080p recording camera support, simultaneous front and rear camera display, GPS navigation through CarPlay or Android Auto, optional GPS antenna with speed and route tracking, 60 Hz screen refresh rate for smoother operation, Bluetooth hands-free calling, wireless music streaming, high-fidelity audio output, FM transmission support, aux audio output connection, AirPlay wireless screen mirroring, Android wireless mirror link support, full-screen reversing camera display, 24-hour parking monitoring function, real-time video viewing through mobile application, in-app video download and sharing, OBD integration support, universal installation compatibility. The upgraded 11.3-inch display offers significantly more viewing space compared to traditional 10.26-inch screens, providing a more premium appearance and improving navigation visibility for safer driving and enhanced comfort during long journeys. With its advanced 60 Hz refresh rate, the display offers smoother animations and reduced latency, particularly when using navigation applications, video playback, and wireless smartphone connectivity. For audio enthusiasts, the K2 Pro features multiple high-quality sound output options, including Bluetooth, FM transmission, and aux connection, ensuring seamless integration with your vehicle's existing sound system while preserving excellent audio quality. The optional GPS module allows the device to record driving speed, route history, GPS coordinates, and travel tracks, providing valuable information for fleet management, insurance claims, and driving analysis. The intelligent parking monitoring system remains on standby when your vehicle is parked and automatically activates emergency recording if vibrations or impacts are detected, offering additional protection for your vehicle around the clock. Whether you are looking for a premium dash cam, a smart multimedia system, a larger navigation display, or a complete upgrade for your vehicle's infotainment experience, the OBDPEAK K2 Pro delivers cutting-edge technology designed for modern drivers.